Hello, in this video I'm going to show you how to set up WordPress locally on your computer with the software called Local. Now you have to go to localwp.com to download the software, and here at the right side you can see the download link. You click on that, you choose which operating system you're on. Let's see the list here. I'm on Mac, you might be on Windows or you might prefer Linux. Let me choose my platform, and I believe um, the only required field is the email. Let's click on yeah, and you put in your email, and click on Getting Now, and you should get a prompt to download your file. Let's put it on Downloads. Once the download is finished, you click on it and set up local. Just follow the prompts. I already have it installed, so it might give me an error message. It will ask you for some, here we go, for some permissions to do the installation. Okay, since I already have it installed, I won't do that again. And let me find it in my applications. Run it, and I believe it's going to tell me I have to upgrade, but we're not going to do that right now. Yeah, not right now. Okay, so what we're going to do here is going to choose at the bottom left here, add a local site. You do have advanced options that you can change, but I'd rather use the defaults. You can also customize what type of environment you want. Um, you can choose your PHP version, the web server, and the database that you want. But for just playing around with WordPress, you might just choose the preferred setup, which is PHP 7.3.5, Nginx as a server, and MySQL 8.0.16. Let's continue with that. Here you put your WordPress credentials. You can put something really easy for you to remember, admin, but do remember that if you are going to set this up, move it to production, to a production environment, then you're going to have to change that password to something less hackable. All right, and we're ready to do this. Add site. And here's where it's going to ask you for more permissions. Let's see. There we go. And usually it used to be much faster, but recently I installed something that made it a bit slower, I think. All right, now that we're set up, you can see it right here at the upper right side. You see the stop site. When you run the software, generally you will have to click on Start Site here to get your, let me choose one of these other. For example, this one, if you want to see that site specifically, you'd have to start it to see it. But we are here at test site, so let's do this. We can see the administration area immediately, or view the site. Let's go view the site. And here you have the most recent theme for WordPress. It's already installed. And let's click on local again to view the backend, and here you go with your user and password and login. And you're all set. Once you have all this set up, you can start playing with WordPress or start your project and do whatever you'd like with it. There are a few things, interesting things that Local has that I like. And it's one that if you right click on your site, it lets you do a couple of things. The most important one is the Reveal in Finder, which it allows you to get to your WordPress files already directly. It gets you to where the server is installed. And the other thing that's fun is this Save As Blueprint that you can save. Let's say that you want to have let's say you have a specific setup that you like certain plugins to be installed, then you would set up your site like we just did and install those plugins. And once you have everything set up, you can come here, right click and do a Save As Blueprint. And what that will do is that the next time you start a site and you choose that blueprint, it will install all the plugins that you had and everything immediately. So that's it for this video. I hope you enjoy it.